Amazon on Thursday posted its slowest sales growth in almost 7 years as the pandemic-fueled surge in online shopping eased. The company's profit shrank, driven in part by higher labor costs and more spending on new warehouses and other logistics infrastructure meant to speed delivery times. Amazon told investors to expect sales growth and profit to continue contracting in current quarter, which includes the holiday shopping season. The company said sales in the 3 months ending in September hit $110.8 billion, up 15% from the same period a year earlier. It made $3.2 billion in profit, about half as much as last year. The results fell short of investor expectations, and shares of Amazon stock were down more than 4% in after-market trading. In a statement, Amazon's chief executive, Andy Jassy, begged patience. He said the pandemic had driven extraordinary investments across our businesses to satisfy customer needs. Just one example is that we've nearly doubled the size of our fulfillment network since the pandemic began. He went on to say that the company expected to have billions of dollars in additional costs in the fourth quarter, largely because of labor shortages, higher wages and global supply chain issues. The company is in the midst of what the investment bank Cowen called a historic investment cycle. Cowen estimates that in 2020 and 2021, the company will have spent about $80 billion in logistics investments, compared with about $58 billion in the previous 5 years combined. Instead, Amazon is limited by its ability to hire and keep enough workers in its operations, as well as labor shortages with its partners, like trucking companies and ports. Since June, Amazon has hired 133,000 new employees, bringing its workforce to 147 million, up 30% from a year ago, and it expects to grow more. In the past 2 months, it has announced plans to hire 125,000 hourly workers and 150,000 seasonal workers in the United States in advance of the holiday shopping rush, and it said it had at least 55,000 open technology and corporate positions globally.